This is how I set up my iPhone rig as a social media content creator. The cage is the foundation for your entire rig. This newer cage has adjustable handles so that you can configure your rig for horizontal or vertical content. It has 6 cold shoes and allows for multiple attachments. Microphones are the most important part of my entire setup. I always keep my Rode shotgun mic and wireless ME set with me at all times. These mics always give me a good balanced setup, whether I'm indoors doing a close talking head video like this, or I'm outdoors and my subject is far away. Having a power bank is crucial to my setup. I've been in situations where I don't have the time and I'm not in the place to plug in and sit around and wait for my phone to charge. This will always keep your projects going on a long day. The DigiPower light is simple and packs a lot. This thing can light up an entire room. It has multiple modes. You can also adjust the brightness and the tone of the light. This is, however, my least used feature on my rig. Moving into the pro level is adding lenses and filters into your setup. This is definitely what will make your work stick out from other creators. Some of these additions will make for subtle enhancements in your videos, but will make all the difference and catch your audience's attention. The total price of this rig setup is roughly $400. So that's how I set up my iPhone rig as a content creator. I'll put all the links for everything I mentioned in the description. Leave a comment, I'll get back to everybody if you have any questions.